Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Sitara. So today we are going to learn the important vocabulary of chapter 5 of Ancient India NCERT book. This will help you in the preparation of your UPSC exam and other exams also. So let's start. Our first word is Quaternary, which means most recent geological period. Next, Pleistocene, which means Ice Age period. Next, Holocene, which means present warm geological period. Next, artifact, which means human made object from past. Next, exploit, which means use natural resources. Next, altitude, which means height above sea level. Next, periphery, which means outer edge of a region. Next, underwent, which means experience change. Next, interglaciation, which means warm period between ice ages. Next, flake, which means small stone tool. Next, borer, which means tool for making holes. Next, strata, which means layers of earth. Next, flint, which means hard stone used for tools. Next, assemblage, which means group of artifacts. Next, alluvial, which means soil deposited by rivers. Next, dune, which means hill of sand. Next, fauna and flora, animal and plant life. Next, inhabitant, which means people living in an area. Next, millennium, which means period of 1,000 years. Next, spur, which means projecting reach of land. Next, dwell, which means live in a place. Next, acquaint, which means become familiar. Next, coarse, which means rough texture. Next, grave, which means burial place. Next, excavate, which means dig out systematically. Next, mount, which means raised earth covering remains. Next, threshold, which means beginning stage. Thank you for learning.